Make laundry days effortless with this washer-dryer from Candy, which is packed with clever features to take care of your clothes. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an A energy rating, a medium-sized 8kg drum capacity for washing, and a 5kg drying capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better washing and drying results. Candy's innovative 3D wash system combines a specially designed drum and powerful water pressure for amazing cleaning results. The clever shape of the drum and paddles means your clothes move around more than they would in a standard model. And because the water pressure is stronger, even the thickest jumper will get a thorough wash. Now your favourite clothes will always get the best care and an incredible clean. Smart Touch technology will solve all your laundry problems. Simply download the Smart Touch app on your Android smartphone and you can connect it directly to your machine. Just hold the phone near the Smart Touch symbol to diagnose your machine, check the cycle progress, or even add brand new wash programs. So, no matter what laundry questions crop up, you'll always be connected to the right answers. If you're looking for a washer-dryer with clever features to take care of your clothes, this model from Candy is the one for you.